we would have so much water enter the downstairs, we had to remove our porch furniture that's outside.
Rain or shine, backyard patios allow you to enjoy the outdoors.
The balcony itself was actually a feature of purchasing the house.
The deck didn't look bad. It was an attractive deck, but to a waterproofer, it was a disaster.
Look closer and you'll see the problems. Concrete right up to the siding. No flashing, waterproofing sticking out, and screw holes rusted and exposed.
I was considering removing the balcony and just having a lattice porch or something because it was getting that frustrating.
Understandable frustration. This demolition is Todd's third attempt to have the problem fixed.
This metal door pan serving no purpose whatsoever.
You can see how much damage was caused in only a few years.
The door pan is sort of a hidden waterproofing system that's underneath that threshold.
First, the waterproof PVC liner is installed.
It's a polyvinyl chloride membrane that's been used in the roofing industry for a long time.
The new door pan, one solid piece, custom made.
The funny thing is for 3 years, I never treated that balcony as a balcony. I treated it as a porch.
Basically a roof that you walk on, and this roof shouldn't leak.
And now you see this piece of stainless steel flashing, and it goes up the wall. So any water that gets in is going to run down, and the water would come out right here on the top of this piece of flashing, and then onto the deck.
Not all roofers are waterproofers, but your patio will be dry if you hire one that is.
I really do believe we've solved this problem. I really do believe that.
For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.